Hi everyone. So let's solve another easy LeetCode question, which is happy number. So we have to write an algorithm and if determine if a number n is happy or not. A happy number is number defined by following process. Starting with any positive integer, replace the number by the sum of squares of its digits. Repeat the process until the number equals 1, where it will stay or it loop endlessly in a cycle, which does not include 1. Those numbers for which the process ends in 1 are happy numbers. So for 19, we'll start with 19 as a current number and we'll square the digits and the number now is 82. We'll again square digits, number now is 68, and for 68, squaring the digits results to 100, and for 100 it's 1. So we are ending at 1, so this number 19 is happy, but somehow if we are continuously in an endless cycle, then the number is not considered to be happy. So actually, it's very easy. This implementation is already given in our problem statement. But the main thing that we need to focus over here is how will we determine the endless cycle. So to do that, we somehow need to store the numbers that we have already visited, and in case we comes up on that number again, that means we are in cycle. So we'll just return false. Let's implement the solution. So we need set of integers which will store all the number visited till this point, and we want to continue until our current number is not equal to 1. So until our current number is not happy. So if this loop will break if n equals 1. So that means our number is happy. So we'll return true. Now let's write processing in between. So first of all, we want to calculate the sum. So to calculate that, our current number is n and our sum is starting 0. So we'll have to iterate on all the digits of current number and square it and calculate the sum. So to do that, while current is not equal to 0, let's iterate on current number, and we will actually find out the last digit, which is easy to find out using mod operator, and our sum would be sum plus last square, last digit square, and our current element would be current divided by 10. Okay, so by the end of this loop, in some variable, we'll have the sum. So we have to see if we have seen this sum earlier or not. If visited dot contains the sum, current sum is already seen, then we simply return false because we are in endless cycle. Otherwise, we'll just put this number in our map, in our set, current sum in our set, and also now our n is changed to current sum. Let's run this problem. Yeah, so we have actually successfully submitted for this solution. That's it for today's video. I'll put out a link to this problem in description box and also to my GitHub repository where you can actually see the solution. Let me know if you tried out this problem, and thanks for watching.